The Deputy Commissioner's office in Pulwama recently announced the transfer of nearly 5,000 canals of prime agricultural land to establish a new campus for the National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. While the project is touted as a step toward educational development, the reactions to this decision have been polarizing. The new NIT campus will reportedly span 4,834 canals and 19 malas, making it approximately 10 times larger than the existing NIT campus at Hazratbal. But this scale of expansion has raised serious questions about its necessity and the potential impact on Pulwama's fertile lands. Iltija Mufti criticized the move, stating, "Grabbing land in Kashmir under the ruse of development continues unabated. Why seize 5,000 canals of prime agricultural land for a new NIT? If education is a priority, why not fix the lopsided reservation policies?" Others have echoed her sentiments, questioning why the existing campus can't be expanded instead of taking over such vast, productive agricultural lands. Critics describe this as a plain land grab, with one saying, "Kashmiris had food security because we controlled our production. Now, it will be gone. Every piece of food-producing land will turn into concrete blocks." Pulwama MLA Para Wahid welcomed the idea of a new NIT campus, but rejected the large-scale land acquisition. He warned, without fair compensation and guaranteed jobs for locals, this project will face strong resistance. To put things into perspective, UT Bombay operates on 4,360 canals. The University of Kashmir uses 2,104 canals. The current NIT campus at Hazratbal occupies just 536 canals. So why does the new NIT campus need nearly 5,000 canals? Critics argue this scale is unprecedented and unjustifiable, calling it an Israeli model of land grab. This isn't the only controversial land acquisition project. The railway line passing through orchards and the establishment of 30 satellite colonies are causing the loss of 118,000 canals of agricultural land. Locals fear a systematic stripping of their food security and livelihood. Some even allege that this move will exacerbate regional tensions. Critics claim that the new campus will be dominated by outsiders, undermining local representation and raising cultural and societal concerns. While the promise of a larger, state-of-the-art campus for NIT Srinagar may seem like a beacon of progress, it has left many Kashmiris questioning whether this is truly development or destruction. The government must address these concerns transparently. What do you think? Is this project a step forward or a dangerous precedent? Share your views in the comments below.